It's a good thing he called me, because if he wouldn't have called me, he would have missed out on like another $1,000 a year in income, all because he didn't know that the roll-up rate was going to roll up after 5 months. Hey, my name's John Stevenson here, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy, and wanted to talk to you about waiting for the roll-up rate and why it's important, okay? If you buy an annuity contract for income and you want income, then you need to let the roll-up rate do its thing. Well, what is the roll-up rate? The roll-up rate is just a rate of growth that's guaranteed through an income rider that guarantees you a rate of growth for income purposes, okay? It's not for the account. The account has its own separate, index that's growing and helps, the account balance and the death benefit. Okay, that's completely separate. The roll-up rate is different. The roll-up rate is what, companies will pay you if you have an income rider attached. So it might be 7, 8, 9%, or even more than that. And it's guaranteed, okay? And they guarantee it for so many years. And they can pay it as a simple or even a compound. So what I want you to remember, though, is when you purchase an annuity with a roll-up rate, wait till the end of the period. What I mean by that is if you purchase it in March, okay, then you don't get that 8%, if it's an 8% roll-up rate, you don't get that until the end of the 12 months. So don't activate your income until the end of that 12 months, because you want to make sure that 8% is there. That's what gives you higher income. And I say that because I had a guy call me and he bought an annuity from me earlier this year, and he wants to start income. And I showed him, I says, look, yeah, you can start income right now, but you got another like 5 months before you get this extra rate of return applied to your policy, and you'll get even more income. He didn't know that. He was going to start income right now, but it's a good thing he called me, because if he wouldn't have called me, he would have missed out on like another $1,000 a year in income, all because he didn't know that the roll-up rate was going to roll up after 5 months, because he wasn't at the end of his 12-month period. And so if you're buying an annuity and you might be thinking, hey, I'm going to let this ride for 6 years and then I'm going to take income. And then let's say in 4 years, you change your mind. You're like, you know what? I want to take income now. What if it's only 3 years and 9 months? It's very important for you to know that you should not start income at 3 years and 9 months. I wouldn't. I would wait at least 3 more months until you hit the 4th year and you get that roll-up rate applied, which then will knock that income, that guaranteed lifetime income, higher, that you can lock in, okay? Super, super important. When you have an income rider, whatever day you decide to purchase it, if it's in July, then you know that every July after that roll-up rate is going to be applied, okay? So just make sure when you start income, start it after that roll-up rate for that period has been applied, okay? So if you do that every single year, every 12-month increment, you have that roll-up rate being applied. And then of course, you also have a higher withdrawal rate that is usually increased every single year with it, okay? So both of those are very, very important, because when they're multiplied, that is what determines your lifetime income, okay? So it's very, very important. Don't wait 3.5 years and start income. Wait either 3 years or 4 years, okay? Make sure you take advantage of it, because if you start at 3 years, you're gonna get all the income you can get based off of 3 years growth, okay? Don't wait 3.5. You might as well start at 3, because it's going to be the same. You'll just miss out on income, okay? So do it at the 12-month increments. You want income in 3 years? Great, take it in 3 years. If you can wait longer, take it at 4 or take it at 5. But try not to do it right in between, because you're missing out on like 6 months of income if you wait. Anyways, I just want to talk about this because first, if you have questions about when to take income, call me, okay? I'll help you. You definitely want to make sure you take it at the right time. All right. And if you want to talk about annuities that will give you guaranteed lifetime income, and maybe you're thinking for yourself, or maybe for yourself and a spouse, then book a call. Okay, there's a link below this video, goes directly to my calendar, and we'll get on a Zoom call, and you can bring all your annuity questions, and we'll talk about all annuities, okay? If you want to look at SPIAs and DIAs and QLACs, and if you want to look at fixed index annuities with income riders, I mean, those pay the most income. If you're looking for highest lifetime income, we can look at those as well. Okay, it doesn't matter to me what you're looking for. I'd love to help you though. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like, subscribe, share, and also comment, okay? I see those comments all the time, and I do answer every single one of them, okay? So that's very, very important to me, that you get your questions answered. If you want to just explore annuities before even talking with me, go to my website. It's johnstevenson.com, and you can search annuities. All of the rates are updated every single day. So if you want to search annuities first before, wanting to commit to a call, then go ahead. That's fine. I'm not going to try to sell anything. I'd love to help you buy an annuity if that's what you're looking for. But really at this point, I just want you to get the information you need, and I want you to get as much education as you can. Watch my videos. I've got hundreds of them, and they will really, really help you become an expert on annuities. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.